Ever dreamed of restoring a historic home, but felt overwhelmed by the cost? You're not alone. Most buyers worry about how to finance renovations. But what if I told you that there's a loan designed specifically for homes like these? One that lets you roll the purchase price and the restoration cost into one mortgage. In today's video, we're breaking down 203K renovation loans, one of the best ways to finance your dream historic home without draining your savings. And to help me explain how it works, I've brought in mortgage expert David Wechsler from Union Home Mortgage. Plus, as a realtor who specializes in historic homes, I'll show you exactly how this process works from the real estate side, what to expect during inspections, appraisals, and contractor bids so you can make a smart buying decision. David, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a 203K loan? And why is it so important for buyers looking at historic homes?
Great question. A 203K loan is an FHA-backed loan that allows home buyers to finance both the purchase of a home and the cost of renovation in one loan. This is especially helpful for historic home buyers, where buyers often need significant repairs or restoration before moving in.
That's huge, especially since many older homes need structural work, roof repairs, updated electrical, or even new plumbing. What kinds of repairs can buyers finance with this loan?
Well, a lot. With a 203K loan, you can finance new roofing, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, restoring historic woodwork and upgrade kitchens and bathrooms, foundation repairs, and even add energy efficient.
So, David, who qualifies for this type of loan? Is it only for first-time home buyers?
Not at all. Anyone can apply, but there are some key requirements. You need to have a credit score of 640 or higher, a minimum down payment of 3.5% of the total loan amount, and the home must be a primary residence, so no investment properties.
And to clarify, that 3.5% down payment is based on the total loan amount, including both the purchase price and the renovation costs, right?
Exactly. So if a home costs $250,000 and you need $100,000 for renovations, the total loan is $350,000, and your down payment would be $12,250.
So, just like with a regular mortgage, the first step is pre-approval, correct?
Yes, before you start shopping, you want to get pre-approved so you know your budget.
Once you're pre-approved, your realtor, like myself, helps you find the right historic home. Since we know a 203K loan is in play, we focus on homes that need renovation but have strong historic value and good bones. Now, this is where it gets different from a regular loan. You can't just estimate repair costs. David, how does that work?
You'll need detailed quotes from licensed contractors outlining all renovations. The lender requires these bids to ensure the work can be completed within budget and adds value to the home. You'll need detailed quotes from licensed contractors outlining all renovations. The lender requires these bids to ensure the work can be completed within budget and adds value to the home. Unlike traditional loans, where the home is appraised as is, a 203K appraisal is based upon the home's future value after the renovation is completed.
That's what makes this loan so powerful. You're financing not just the home, but its full potential.
Once the loan closes, the renovation funds are held in what's known as an escrow account, and contractors are paid as work is completed.
And as the renovations progress, the lender does inspections to make sure that everything is on track. A 203K loan isn't just about financing. It's about preserving history. If you love historic homes, but worry about the cost of restoration, this loan makes it possible.
Want to see if a 203K loan is right for you?
Contact David Wechsler at Union Home Mortgage. We've totally provided a link for you guys in the description down below.
Need a historic home expert? Reach out to Chris Hubble.
That's me.
He specializes in historic real estate.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And remember, every home has a story. Let's discover yours.